Students, so in our last class we have done exercise 1 can 3I, right? So today we will be doing 1 can 3J. So these are word problems, okay? 1 can 3J are word problems. So you see what is written. Solve the following word problems, write short statements and subtract. So these are called word problems, okay? So what it is written in the question that you are to solve these word problems and you will write short statements and subtract, okay? So let us read it first. Let us understand this one first, okay? There were 780 books in a library. So in a library there were 780 books in total, okay? Out of these 152 books have been allotted to the students who are preparing for an examination. So out of 780 books that were in the library, 152 books were given to the students who are preparing for an examination. Since the students are preparing for an examination, so the library has allotted them 152 books, okay? How many books remain in the library? After distributing 152 books to the students, we have to find out that how many books will still remain in the library. So we have to write short statements. It is mentioned in the question that we have to write short statements. So what are the things we can write? First of all, we will write total books in a library, right? Total books in a library. Total books in a library, how much? 780 books. So you will write 780 books. Then how many books are given to the students, are distributed to the students? 152 books. So you will write books allotted to the students. Books allotted to the students is equal to how much? 152 books. Okay. So what you have to find out now? How many books remain in the library? So we will write there are 4 books that remain in the library. What we will do? We will subtract these two. So you will write 780 minus 152. Okay, 780 minus 152. We will subtract it. So can we subtract 0 from 2? Can we subtract 2 from 0? No. So what we have to do? We have to regroup here. So from 8 if you take 110, it will become 10 ones. And from 8 we have taken 110. That's why it will be 710. Okay. So 10 minus 2 how much? From 10 if we cancel 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 10 you cancel 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How much remains? 8. Now from 7 you will cancel 5. So from 7 if we cancel 5, how much will remain? 2. Okay. From 7 again you will cancel 1. Here from here we have not regrouped anything. So it will remain same. So 7 minus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 you cancel 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much remains? 6. So how many books are left in the library? How many books? 628 books. So you will write therefore 628 books. 628 books remain in the library. Remain in the library. Okay. So our question number 1 is solved. Number 2, what is question number 2? A total of 576 passengers were traveling on a train. So, how many passengers were traveling on a train? Total of 576 passengers. Okay, so when a station came, 198 got off the train. So on a particular station, what happened? 198 passengers got off the train. Okay. So we have to find out what? How many passengers are left on the train? We will find out that how many passengers are still left on the train after 198 passengers got off the train. So what are the statements we can write? Total passengers traveling on a train equal to 576 passengers. When a station came 198 board of the train. So you will write passengers that got off the train equal to 198, right? 198 passengers. So we have to find out how many passengers are left on the train. Therefore, passengers left on the train. So what you will do, you will subtract this to 576 minus 198. Okay, 576 passengers minus 198 passengers. Okay, so subtract it now. From 6 can we subtract 8? Since 6 is a smaller number, we have to regroup it. From 7 if we regroup here, it will become how much? 16 ones. And from 7 we have taken 1 10, so it will remain here 6 10, right? Now from 16 if we subtract 8, how much will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. From 16 you will subtract 8. How many will remain? 8, right? So you will write here 8. Now from 6 again, can we subtract 9? No, we have to again regroup it. From here, from 500 if we regroup, then it will become 1610 and it will become 400, as 100 is equal to 1010. So 16 minus 9 is how much? Again 16 minus 9 will be 7 and 4 minus 1 will be 3. So how many passengers are left on the train? 378. After 198 passengers get off the train, how many passengers are still left? 378 passengers. So you will write, therefore 378 passengers are still left on the train. Okay, so question number 2 is also solved. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Siddhi's maths exercise book has 152 pages. Okay, she has used 137 of these pages. So Siddhi's maths exercise book means maths copy. In Siddhi's maths copy there was how many pages? 152 pages. Okay, she has used 137 of these pages. So from 152 pages, Siddhi has used 137 pages. So you have to find out is how many pages or in the exercise book are unused. Okay, after using 137 pages, how many pages are still unused? We have to find out this one. So what are the statements we can write? We can write total pages in maths exercise book of Siddhi, right? In maths exercise book of Siddhi is equal to how much? Siddhi is equal to 152 pages, right? 152 pages. She has used 137 of these pages. So how many pages she has used? 137. So you will write used pages equal to 137 pages, right? We have to find out how many pages in the exercise book are unused. So therefore, pages in the exercise book that are unused equal to, what we will do? We will subtract this two. So 152 minus 137, right? So now subtract it. So from 2 can we subtract 7? No. We have to regroup it and how much will come here? From 5 if we take 110, then it will become 12 ones. So from 5 110 we have taken, it will become 410, right? So 12 minus 7 is how much now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12 you subtract 7. You cancel 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will remain. So you will write 5. And from 4, if you subtract 3, from 4 if we subtract 3, only 1 remains. So 15. So how many pages are still left in the exercise book? 15 pages. So you will write, therefore 15 pages are unused. Okay, 15 pages are unused. So we have solved question number 1, 2 and 3 word problems. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.